How to disable share button on Facebook. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, just tap open your Facebook application. Make sure your Facebook is up to date and you are logged in into your account. In order to disable the share button on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal line at the top. Head over to the settings button. Scroll down until you see the option of profile and tagging. It will be under audience and visibility. You need to toggle off the option allow others to share your post to their stories. Just click on it. This will turn off the share option. After which, head back from here. Then click on your profile. You can manage a certain post to disable the share button. For that, scroll down and navigate the post. From here, tap on the three dot and select on the edit privacy option. As you can see, it is set on public. Just tap on see more and tap on only me. Head back from here and wait for it to be saved. After which, the share button for the current post will be disabled on your post. And it's a quick and easy tutorial as well, so make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.